In this video, we will talk about how to fix EXE file not opening Windows 10. Method 1. Unblock EXE file. Right-click the EXE file. Select Properties. In General tab, look for a security message like "This file came from another computer." If you see it, click on Unblock. Then Apply and OK. Method 2. Reset Windows file associations. Click on Windows icon. Open Settings. Click on Apps. On the left, click on Default Apps. Scroll down, click on Reset. Method 3. Change value data. Click in Search. Type regedit. Select Open. Click on Yes. Copy-paste the location given in the description. On the right side, double-click on Default. Set the value data to EXE file and click on OK. Now copy-paste the following location from the description. Again, double-click on Default. Add this value data and click on OK. Close Registry Editor. Click on Windows icon and restart your PC. So that's how you can fix EXE file not opening Windows 10. See you in the next video.